In a major counterpart with the Haryana Police and Jammu and Kashmir Police, two rented flats have been found out where earlier we have heard that 360 kilogram of the explosive material that were found out, and now we are here at the spot of another rented flat. You can see in the visual this is the same rented flat which is just 4 kilometers away from the Dhoj village, and it is in Fatehpur Tagi, and we'll quickly show you the visual inside as well. What is there, how does this rented flat actually look like. So as you can see in the visual that this is very small rented flat where 2,659 explosive materials were found out, and this is in Fatehpur Tagi, which is just 4 kilometers away from the Dhoj village. And as you can see here in visual, we have the staircase, and the entire area is very small, and from here after 3 to 4 hours of joint operation by Jammu Kashmir Police and Haryana Police, what we found out was 2,653 explosive materials. And also here you can see in the visual we have 2 rooms here which is very small in size, and from these rooms only these explosive materials were found out. And earlier also 360 kilogram of explosive material were found out from the rented flat in Dhoj, and also there were some timers as well, that is apart from explosive material, few timers, and that is basically used to make timer bombs. So you can understand what kind of national conspiracy has been built up here in these 2 rented flats. And also as you clearly mentioned that 7 doctors were involved, out of which 2 doctors' name have been identified, that is Adil, and second one is the Dr. Shakil, and the third one is a lady doctor who was also involved, and all these 3 are connected with the Al Falah University. Also earlier if we talk about how this nexus came in light with the Jammu Kashmir Police. So on October 27, what we saw was Muhammad Adil, which is the first accused. He was sticking poster in Jammu and Kashmir, and that poster was related to Jaish-e-Mohammed. And after that, local police probed in, and they took a look at the CCTV footage, after which Muhammad Adil was found out. And then police further investigated into this matter, after which Muhammad Adil was even arrested from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. So you can see that there is a link between different states here, and since it's a matter of national security, so you can imagine how the security has been breached, that from 2 rented flats, one 360 kilogram explosive was found out, and from another flat 2,563 explosive material were found out. Over to you.
Aparna Jha, they are joining us with the latest from the ground, from one of the places where the terror busts have taken place. Nearly 3,000 kilograms of explosives being found. Aparna, also, what exactly have you heard from the police as such? Where is the investigation headed from here on?
Apart from this, investigation will take place in different states as in Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, and also few other rented flats have been alleged that there are few other rented flats that are in link with these doctors. And also as you clearly heard that they are kind of linked with the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist gang. And we are here at one of the flat where we clearly saw the visual and how these things were prepared here as well. And also there are 2 to 3 other flats apart from these 2 flats which we clearly mentioned about the Dhoj and Fatehpur Tagi, and police is continuously investigating about that, as this is a matter of national security. And the big question that comes in light is how the security was breached, that such a great amount of explosive material, such huge amount of explosive were bought here in these 2 rented flats, which police has found out after investigation. And this as you can see in the visual, this is a very small flat which was rented. And although Dr. Shakil, who is the owner of this flat, who was living in this rented flat, not the owner, and he usually don't come here at this place. Also he doesn't live here is what we learned from locals, but he reside in Al Falah University, which we mentioned that all these 3 doctors whose name has been in light, these 3 were connected with the Al Falah University. So basically these 2 rented flats which we mentioned right now, one in Dhoj and other in Fatehpur Taga, there they didn't reside, but all this preparation was going on as what came out from the investigation of the police.
Right.
Over to you.